Hey guys, it's MJCuber, and in this video I will be showing you my main Speedcubes and all my PBs. So, like always, let's start off with 2x2. My main is the MoYu LingPo. It's a really nice cube. It's 50 millimeters. My PB single is 0.70. My PB average of 5 is 3.46. My PB average of 12 is 4.49. And my PB average of 100 is 5.13. Next, we have 3x3s, my favorite event. Here, my PB is 12.16. My PB average of 5 is 16.54. My PB average of 12 is a 17.13, and my PB average of 100 is 17.84. Next, we have 4x4. I use a mini MoYu AoSu. It's a really nice cube and I really like it. My PB is a 1 minute 19.37. My PB average of 5 is 1 minute 30.24. My PB average of 12 is 1 minute 33.31. My PB average of 100 is 1 minute 40.08. Here we have a 3x3 one hand. And my main is this DaYan ZhanChi. It's 55 millimeters and it's stickerless. And it's very loose, as you can see. It's a really nice cube for one hand. It's really loose and stuff. It's really good. My PB is a 38.05. One-handed. My average of 5 is 49.75. And my PB average of 12 is 53.74. I'm pretty sure I never time myself 100 times for 3x3 one hand, so that's why I don't have an average of 100. And finally, we have Pyraminx. So I use a ShengShou Pyraminx because it's the only Pyraminx that I have, and it is not modded, although I may mod it. My PB is 1.44. My PB average of 5 is 5.03. My PB average of 12 is 6.30. And my PB average of 100 is 8.33. So those are my main Speedcubes. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys later.